how to calculate 4.5 BTC box, 3.25 taper for foot, 5 TBI minified thread. First, you have to calculate the taper per foot. You get a 3.25, that means like 750 taper per foot, divide by 12 inches. It come out 0.062 thou. Check that number. Let you check the taper of the thread. First, you get the marker. You mark the first one and count 5 thread. Number 5, mark it, and they get the ID gauge taper to check it. The first thread, get a black marker, make it black and 0 on the ID taper gauge, and count 5 thread in and check it. It must be 62 thou. That means like your taper is right. Right now, to check the gauge, calculate gauge stand up, you get a 1 inch divided by 62 thou. That means equal to 16. That mean you offset 1 thou and the gauge going 16 thou. Right now, my part here, I put the rubber because the part stick out so long. I put the rubber, made the part not shatter. Right now, I get the vernier. I check when I run it, I offset minus 20 thou into number 9. Number 9 threading. When I run it, I back offset minus 20 thou. Right now, I check the gauge. Right here, the face of the part. I check to the shoulder of the gauge. See the face of the part to the shoulder of the gauge. Right now is 395 thou. 395 thou. But the gauge, they leave you like 50 thou. The face to the shoulder here only like 50 thou. And you can plus 50 thou and minus 50 thou. And right now I get 395. Then I'll check the 395. Right now, the face of the part to the shoulder of the gauge 395. I minus 50 thou. That means like they want the face and the shoulder must be 50 thou plus equal. Right now I get 0.395 minus 0.050 equal. That means like the 345 thou. Half from the gauge. And now I get like 345. Example 1 thou. The gauge going 0.016 thou. Right now 0.345, and the gauge go how many thou? And I get 345 times 0.1001 and divide by 16 equal time equal like 21.5. I made like 22 thou. I measure right now all the part 395. I'm on a 50 thou. I want like they want the face gauge stand up like 50 thou for the face. 395 minus 50 thou equal 345. And now I calculate it. You upset 1 thou, the gauge go in 16 thou. Right now the gauge stand up 345, and how many thou get upset? I get 395, 345 a time 1 thou and divide by 16. See, 345 times 1 thou and divide by 16. It's come out 22 thou. I have to upset in the tool number 9. Right now I go to machine. This one I have to rerun it. Number 9. This line I have to run it. I mean like tool number 9. I go to number 9, upset. Upset. Tool number 9. Upset like 22 thou. See? 0.022 input plus execute. Right now go program and find the line here in 800 threading. I have to rerun this one because I upset 22 thou right now. Rerun it. Good. Add it. deburr the part with the sandpaper. Deburr in front. Deburr in the back. And right now, check the gauge. This block is 100 thou. Right now, you put it here. If they not go in, that means the gauge snap right. Right? Put the face here. Because like, when you check with the vernier cannot go in. Very hard to see it go in. Right? We have to go in. Or you can check like this from here to here, right? Just roughly, not accurate, right? And now how many thou? 40 thou. Good. And now the gauge stop good. The part right now is done. And you can double check with the seam here. The seam here 100 thou. Okay. If the seam they go in, that means the maximum size. And now the seam not go in. Right now the part is done. For the 4.5 BTC box. And after you're done, you have to check the depth for this thread. It must be like 62 thou depth of thread. You get a single depth. You check here. It's 62 thou. Right? And then now 62 thou depth. And you get the thread profile. Budget thread for 5. You have to put in here. Must be don't see the sit properly. You cannot see the light go through with the thread profile. And you get the needle to check on the bottom. Let me see like the insert they break on the corner or no, or they chip on the corner or no. Check here, lift up and pull the bottom and pull back. If you don't feel any edge, that means the insert not chipping or not break on the edge. Right now the part completed, done. 4.5 BTC box. If you like this video, please give subscribe. Thank you.